Welcome to NU Bacolod, the first NU campus in Western Visayas. As a proud extension of National University's legacy of academic excellence, NU Bacolod is committed to nurturing the next generation of nation builders and innovators. Our institution has a storied history of producing some of the country's most influential figures across various industries, and we bring that same tradition of success in quality education to Bacolod. NU Bacolod, we believe in making education accessible and impactful. Our state-of-the-art facilities, dedicated faculty, and comprehensive programs are designed to provide students with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in a rapidly changing world. We are more than just an educational institution. We are a community dedicated to building a brighter future for our students and our nation. Join us at NU Bacolod, where we are committed to securing your future and advancing the future of our nation through education that works. Together, let us build a legacy of excellence and innovation in the heart of Western Visayas. Dayon na kamo sa NU Bacolod, kay arin na kami para sa inyo.